The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is a mid-range smartphone that offers a blend of premium features and solid performance. Here's an overview of its key aspects. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G showcases a design and build quality that elevate it within the mid-range smartphone market. The A55 5G features a refined construction with a glass and metal body, providing a premium feel typically associated with higher-end models. The combination of glass and metal not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also adds to its durability, offering a solid and robust feel in hand. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G's design and build quality reflect a significant advancement over its predecessors, offering users a premium experience in the mid-range segment. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth and responsive visual experience. The display offers a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals. With a peak brightness of 1000 nits, high brightness mode, the screen remains clear and readable even under direct sunlight. The device also supports HDR10+ for enhanced dynamic range, delivering richer colors and deeper contrasts. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, the display is designed to resist scratches and minor impacts, contributing to the device's durability. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is a mid-range smartphone that offers a balanced performance suitable for everyday tasks and moderate gaming. Here's an overview of its performance aspects. The device is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1480 processor, which includes an octa-core CPU and Xclipse 530 GPU. While the Xclipse 530 GPU is capable, some users have noted that certain games may have limitations on the highest graphics settings. However, overall gaming performance remains satisfactory for most titles. Samsung has upgraded the cameras this time around. The A55 5G features a 50MP primary camera with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro sensor. The 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Excellent detail and color accuracy. Improved with night mode. 4K at 30 frames per second with EIS for stabilization. Samsung claims the Galaxy A55's 5000 mAh battery can last up to 2 days on a single charge, depending on usage patterns. Screen-on-time users have reported approximately 4.5 to 5.5 hours of SOT on an 80% charge, varying with individual usage and settings. The device supports 25W fast charging, reaching approximately 55% battery capacity in 30 minutes and a full charge in about 1 hour and 3 minutes. Pros: features a sleek, water-resistant build with a metal frame and durable Gorilla Glass, providing a high-quality feel. Equipped with a vivid 120Hz AMOLED display, delivering smooth visuals and rich colors. The 5000 mAh battery offers extended usage, capable of lasting through a full day of heavy use. Promises 4 years of major software updates and 5 years of security patches, ensuring longevity. Cons: powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, it may experience slowdowns with demanding tasks and larger apps. The main camera can produce oversaturated photos, and low-light performance is underwhelming, with limited improvements in night mode. Supports only 25W wired charging, which is slower compared to competitors. Wireless charging is not available. Comes pre-installed with numerous apps that may not be useful to all users, potentially affecting user experience. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G offers a premium design and display with reliable battery life, but it faces challenges in performance, camera quality, and charging capabilities.